It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, smartphone wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.